hurt the knee. Call the doctor lagi. Go. Get Mama's phone. Call the doctor because she hurt her knee. Careful.
Boo-boo? Ako ang Mommy's phone.
Kinakausap niya yung dal. She called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, the baby. Hello, doctor. Oh, bye. Do I, baby? How come Mommy get doctor?
Oh, Paris.
I'm calling doctor. Mommy done. Mommy, phone, call the doctor.
Call the doctor.
Hello, doctor. Baby had the nanny.
Hindi din kayo makapaniwala, guys. Pinatato niya yung pangalan ko sa katawan niya. Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Another day, another vlog. It is a Sunday, everyone, and it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon. And tingnan nyo sa atin yung ay nasa harapan ng kanyang heater. Kasi sobrang maginaw, guys. Pakita ko rin sa inyo ang labas, ha. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, it's been raining all night din. And yung pa-outfit natin for today ay ito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ito yung suot natin kasi very comfortable lang ba. Dito lang naman kami sa bahay. And si Daddy Mike and Paris ay nandito pala sa sala. And have a look at the flowers. Tingnan nyo. Bukadkad na siya. Ayan, ang iba kay namamatay na. Parang nalalanta na yung iba ba, oh? Ayan. Pero yung kaka-bloom pa lang. Ay, tingnan nyo. Very fresh. At may iba pa na hindi pa nag-o-open talaga. Looking very beautiful. Ayan. Ang ating mga mahal sa buhay ay nandito. Tingnan nyo na naman, oh, UFC, diba? Kasi yan yung buhay ng ating Daddy Mike UFC pag Sunday. Paris! Ang tingnan yung bulaklak, guys. Oh, buhay na buhay pa. Meron pala nagsabi, hindi pala to siya sunflower. Daisy, oo nga pala, daisy nga pala to. Pero yellow lang ang kulay niya, so it looks like sunflower. Sorry naman po. Ayan, so buhay na buhay pa siya. Katulad ng pagmamahal ni Daddy Mike sa akin, buhay na buhay. Char. Bicycle. Baby girl, drink your water, nak. Yes. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, nakabihis na yan siya. Binihisan ko. Kasi lalabas sila ng daddy niya. Are you going out with daddy?
Yeah, go shopping.
Go shopping, are you? Say hi, sabi.
Yes.
Shh. Hello? Daddy's fighter won. I chose the other one. I lost. How much do you love UFC, daddy?
Not as much as I love you. Pretty close.
Not as much as he loves me daw, anak. Sige na, sit down na si daddy and you can go. Come on. Nilagyan ko rin ng ganito, guys, oh, sa ibabaw ng kanyang jacket kasi maginaw na talaga sa labas pa. Nalabas ng ating prinsesa. Woohoo! Calm down. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Put the blanket, hang on. Put the blanket on, Nakbi. Okay, it's very cold. Kita si Mama, be. Kiss Mama. Where are you going?
Going shopping.
You go shopping with Daddy. Tell Daddy buy rice, okay?
No, let's go rice.
Tell Daddy buy rice.
Let's go.
You buy rice?
Let's buy rice.
Yeah, okay. Love you. See you, Daddy. Love you.
Love you.
Enjoy. Yan na. Nakaalis na yung dalawa, guys. And you know what? I feel really sad kasi nga, diba, kung matagal na kayo nagsubaybay sa channel natin, alam na alam nyo na everywhere kami pumupunta, magkasama kaming tatlo. Unless si Paris ay nasa childcare. So, we're always out. And ngayon, sila lang dalawa, guys, kasi hindi daw pwede. Tinanong ko nga si Daddy Mike, kasi last night, may nakita akong may naglalakad-lakad ba? Tatlo sila. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na, then they are not following the rules. Kasi nga daw tatlo, and hindi pwedeng magsama-sama nga ng ganun. Anyways, nandito lang ako ngayon sa bahay. Ang aking gagawin ay, naglagay na ako ng isang load sa ating washing machine. And I don't know if klaro ba ninyo, guys, meron tayong mga nakahalay dyan, o magtutupi na lang ako ng damit and all. And yun na nga, tinurn off ko na yung TV kasi tapos na yung UFC ni Daddy Mike. Yun na nga, guys, nakakatawa si Daddy Mike kasi nga sabi ko sa kanya, how much do you love UFC? Sabi niya, well, not as much as I love you, but it's pretty close. Diba, nag-video din ako noon, guys, kung gaano ka-addict si Daddy Mike sa sa UFC na yan. Super sweet talaga niya ni Daddy Mike, guys. Like, seriously, kung nasusunod yung mga videos namin, nakikita niyo naman siya. Although, hindi talaga every time na present si Daddy Mike sa ating mga videos. Kasi may mga time na parang hindi lang niya feel na humarap sa camera. But most of the time naman, if he is in the mood, din sumasama siya sa aming mga vlogs. But yeah, Mike is really, really sweet. I can't even count kung ilang beses siya mag-I love you sa akin in a day. Like, pagising pa lang hanggang pagtulog. Like, seriously, he'll just say, I love you out of nowhere. At kahit anong ginagawa mo dyan, kung nasa kwarto ako, kahit saan ako, sinasabi lang niya na, I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Parang naano siya ba na every time nilalabas niya talaga yung nararamdaman niya sa akin. Which I find really, really sweet. Hindi talaga nagbago si Daddy Mike, guys. Kahit noon pa man, ganyan na talaga yan siya. And you know what? There's funny thing, right? Hindi ko talaga inasahan na gagawin to ni Daddy Mike. Kasi when we were still dating, I think mga ilang buwan pa yun na nagdi-date kami. He went overseas kasi nga may nakabook na siya na holiday for himself before kami nagkakilala. Pero nung nagpunta siya sa overseas, guys, alam niyo yung ginawa niya. Tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya, magpapatato daw siya. Sabi ko, okay, kasi sanay naman ako na may tattoo si Daddy Mike kasi nakita niyo naman, like, full sleeve tattoo siya, meron siya dito sa likod, meron siya dito sa chan, sa leg, everywhere, meron talaga siyang tattoo. But this one, hindi ko talaga inakala kasi yung pinatato niya, guys, is hindi din kayo makapaniwala, guys. Pinatato niya yung pangalan ko sa katawan niya. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God, hindi ko talaga inakala na gagawin yun ni Daddy Mike. Tapos, sabi ko na, okay, wow, you know, if gusto mo, then do it. But, sabi ko sa kanya na Jovi lang, kasi para shorten lang ba? Kasi yung full name ko talaga is Jovelyn. Pero ayaw niya, kasi gusto niya talaga na Jovelyn, guys. Kasi, para full name daw talaga. Sabi ko sa isip ko na halaka, sure na talaga to siya sa akin. Kasi, pag isang tao nagpapatato na ng pangalan mo sa katawan, like seriously, yung feeling niya talaga sa'yo ay totoong-totoo na. Kasi 'di ba, kung laro-laro lang yung sa kanya at nagpatato siya ng pangalan mo, what if nag-break kayo? Nagkaroon siya ng bagong girlfriend, tapos nakita na may tattoo siya. I know na makakover naman yun, 'di ba? But still, to go through that pain, magpatato ng pangalan, it was, I don't know, parang naano lang talaga ako. Mas na in love ako kay Daddy Mike noon. Parang nakadugang siya sa pusta. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, what it looks like. Pero nilagay niya dito sa, parang sa gilid niya. And ipapakita ko dito kung anong mukha talaga ng aking pangalan sa kanyang katawan. Since then, nasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na mahal talaga ako ni Daddy Mike. Kasi hindi mo yun magagawa kung char-char lang yung nararamdaman mo, diba? Anyways, guys, I'll just check my washing and I'll speak to you again very soon. Hi guys! Alas 4 na siya ng hapon and ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Kanina diba naglakad-lakad si Daddy Mike and Paris and umuwi sila. Si baby Paris ay nakatulog. So, she was in the pram for, I think, another half an hour pagkarating nila. And then, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-transfer ako ng mga videos from my camera to my phone para may ma-edit ako and may ma-upload tayo for tomorrow. Kaya, yun yung dahilan, guys. Kaya pasensya na po. And may ginagawa pala ako dito sa isang kwarto, guys. Kasi naglinis ako ba? Kasi sobrang messy dito kanina. And then, itong mga, tingnan nyo, itong mga sapatos si Daddy Mike kasi, guys, gusto niyang itapon. Ayan, may Nike. Meron ding mga, ito siya, Vans and Converse. Ayan. So, gusto niyang itapon, guys. And sabi ko, ilagay mo na lang dyan. Kasi, isang labahan lang naman to, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Isang laba. Tapos, malinis na yan. Papadala ko sa Pilipinas, guys. Kasi sayang naman. Tingnan nyo pa nga tong box na to, guys. Oh, hindi ko pa naipadala. And very full na talaga to siya. So, wala nang space dito sa bahay. Bibili sana ako ng bagong box. Natatakot kasi ako sa COVID, guys. Baka hindi dumating. Puno ng pagmamahal pa naman to, guys. Pag nawala, sayang na sayang talaga. Kaya, maghihintay na lang ako pag okay na yung lahat bago ko pa ipadala. And also, while nandito ako, naglinis ako kanina, guys. Ito yung nakita ko. Nakalkalan ni ate nyo. Tingnan nyo. Happy first anniversary, Baba Bear. O, diba? So, remember ko to, guys. Ito yung pinagawa ko for our first anniversary. Napagawa talaga ng book yung ate nyo, no? Sobrang in love lang talaga. Sobrang in love lang talaga. Okay, may mga papel-papel pa dito. So, ito yung pinagawa ko, guys. Ilagay ko nga kayo dito, guys, para maipakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung book, guys. Tingnan nyo. Love book. And then, may mga messages ako dyan, guys, oh, for Daddy Mike. Yan. Ano bang nakalagay dito, be? It's been a while. To my best friend, my better half, my dinner date, my pillar, my cheerleader, and my confidant. How one whole year has come and gone is absolutely beyond me. Time speeds around us so quickly. It seems like 12 months have zoomed by in half the time, but it seems as if this has been my reality for so much longer. I can hardly remember what it's like to not have you in my life. And tingnan nyo, guys. This is the story of Jarvie and Mike. Tingnan nyo, may mga ano pa talaga, mga cartoons ba? Super sweet talaga nito. See, June 28, 2016, when I said yes after a few weeks of dating. And oh, guess what? It was our first kiss too. So, yan yung first kiss namin, guys, nung sinagot ko na siya. Kasi hindi nakahalik si Daddy Mike sa akin, guys. Nung nagde-date pa lang kami. Kasi si ate nyo ay verhin-verhinan. I love that you are so affectionate. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Basta, guys, oy, oh, tingnan nyo. Sobrang kapal talaga. Ang daming ano. Kasi sa book na to, guys, nilagay ko kung ano yung mga bagay na I love about him. Tingnan nyo. I love that you are my best friend. Tingnan nyo. Picture. I love that you are caring. Tingnan nyo yung mga mukha namin dyan, guys, oh. Balbasarado pa talaga si Daddy Mike dyan. I love that you love and accept me just how I am. I love that I can be myself around you. I love hugging you.
I love that you believe in me. I love laughing with you. I love taking care of you. I love how safe you make me feel. I love being childish with you. I love taking naps with you. I love our first kiss. I love that you still give me butterflies. I love that you make me happy. I love being excited to see you after a whole day. I love going to the beach with you. I love how you're the sunshine that brightens up my life. I love our couch time. I love that you appreciate the simple things in life.
So on and so forth. And I ended the book with this, guys. For sure, it wasn't a smooth sailing year, but good times easily outnumbered the not so good ones. Cheers to the first year of a lifetime. I love you, Mike, to the moon and back. God bless us both. I'm very excited of what's ahead of us. Always here for you, no matter what. Love always, Jarvie. Bongga talaga si ate nyo, guys. Kaya nga, pag meron kaming LQ ni Daddy Mike, sinasabi niya sa akin na, read that book again. Para daw ma-refresh daw ang aking pag-iisip. Kasi minsan, buang man tayo minsan. And we kept the book, guys, kasi one day, diba, makikita din to ni Paris, and Paris would know how her parents love each other. Kaya, ayan. I kept this one. And also, may mga picture pa pala akong nakita dito. Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mike and Paris. Paris was so tiny. Have a look at her. Her face. Sobrang round ng ulo ni Baby Paris, oy. And then this one is so sweet. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? May pa, ano-ano pa sila sa ilong. Sobrang liit pa ni Paris niyan. How many months pa. And this one, tingnan nyo. I remember this photo. Pumunta kami ng Ballarat for a weekend away with our friends. Kasama yung mga anak din nila. So, it was a bonding. And then, ito, very special talaga, guys. How many weeks ba si Paris nito? 21 weeks and 3 days. So, nagpa 3D scan kami. And ito yung kuha sa mukha ni Paris. Tingnan niyo ang mukha dyan, oh. Katakot pa tingnan ba? Ito yung sa, ano, sa side. Hindi man siya makita, oh, eh. But yeah, we keep this, guys, kasi very special talaga itong mga photos na to. And this one was, 12 weeks pala to, guys. 12 weeks and 3 days. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Oh, shush! And ngayon, sobrang daldal na.
Nose.
Where's the baby's nose?
There.
Wow. Where's the baby's knees? Where's the baby's ears?
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo? Uy! Hala, knock! Don't do that to the baby, knock!
I'm the boo-boo.
The boo-boo? Okay. Then you sing. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick.
The boo-boo, Mommy, the boo-boo.
She called for the doctor to come quick, quick,
The
quick.
boo-boo, Mommy.
The boo-boo. Where's the boo-boo? The doctor came. Oh, hurt the knee. Call the doctor lagi. Go. Get Mama's phone. Call the doctor because she hurt her knee. Careful.
The boo-boo. Ikaw ang Mommy's phone.
Kinakausap niya ang dal. Call the doctor quick. She called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, the boo-boo. Yeah, doctor. Oh, bye.
Bye. Is the doctor coming?
Yes.
What time? What time? Do you want to give the baby a kiss? Oh, shush. Good girl.
Butter.
Good girl.
Let's
Yeah, put the baby there. Just sit down, relax, baby. The doctor is coming.
No more boo-boo in case. This is Mama boo-boo.
No more boo-boo? The doctor came with his bag and and he knocked on the door with the...
No, Mommy.
Why not?
Mama boo-boo.
No more boo-boo?
Yes.
Okay. Alright then.
Hair clip.
Hair clip. What's the color of her hair clip?
Blue.
Blue. Wow.
Oh, what's the boo-boo?
Wala siya regalabay. Siya na po yung bubu.
No, the boo-boo is a gun.
Nabubu. Imo manggilabay.
She don't want to go on my phone. Do I, baby? How come Mommy get that her?
Oh, Paris.
I'm going doctor, Mommy done. Mommy, phone, call the doctor.
Call the doctor.
Hello, doctor. Baby had in the knee. This is his. Bye.
Pataka. Pataka. Makanang pakusi ako, nak, be? Pakusi ako, be? Where's daddy, then, nak?
Daddy, see the bike? No, it's rocking the bike.
The bike's broken. Galasing ko na pala siya, guys. And ang daddy ni Paris ay may kausap sa phone. Kaya kaming dalawa. Naglakad-lakad pala silang dalawa. And pagkabalik nila dito, tinawag nila agad ako. Kasi nga hindi ako makakasama sa doon pag malayo, diba? So nandito lang kami sa front yard, paikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot-ikot lang. The car is coming.
These are parrots.
Huh?
They're not here.
Are they after Paris?
I call my phone.
What's the time, Nakbe?
Oh, it's in here, Doctor. We had in the knee. It's there. Bye.
Oh, anak.
That's a boo-boo.
Sa boo-boo. Nak, wipe your nose, Nakbe. Ay, shush! Ay, shush! Nak, are you warm enough, Nak?
Yes.
Ang ating anak, oh. Kamba, kay na ay, kay istorya mong papa.
Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mami. Is that your gift for mommy? Thank you, princess. Thank you. Tingnan nyo guys, nagtagak-tagak na siya. Mamamatay na to mga bulaklak ba? O, tingnan nyo, nalaya na. Careful di anak. There's a doggy. Ang iba, buhay na buhay pa rin. Tingnan nyo, pero ang uban kaya na nga. Yes, my love. What's in there? Careful di anak, ba sinay-snake di anak? Huh? Careful because there might be snake.
Come on, Daddy.
Where are you going? Come back. We can't go there, honey. Kaya akala niya makakapunta siya. Come here na. Come here na. What a nice day today, guys. Tingnan nyo, very bright ang araw, diba? It's already 5 o'clock. Sobrang taas pa rin ng araw, which is very nice. Nilalaro na naman niya ang mga laruan niyang mga old. Pang ipapadala sa Pilipinas. Where are you going? Huh? Ayaw, lagig palayo. Wow, are you playing with the baby and the cow?
Yes.
Are you? Yummy. What shape is this now?
Circle.
Triangle.
Circle.
No, it's not circle.
Heart.
Square.
Circle.
Circle. That's right. What color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this? Purple. Good job.
No.
I love you. I love you, Paris.
Okay.
Daddy's making us burger, guys. Pero ang gusto ko, itong soup. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, hintayin ko muna to kasi baka daw magustuhan ko. Thank you, Daddy.
No worries, Mom.
Huh? Give it to Mommy. Give that to Mommy. Nani, wakwak. Nani, wakwak. Nakasabot ka sa wakwak, nak? Baby girl, nakasabot ka sa wakwak?
No, mine.
Mine ka karon pag ilis na nakbe. Si mama niya ka nakabihis kanina, okay, lumabas. Ay, anak, manihapon na anak. Ay, sa dinner na ba? Ikaw. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Go. Dinner na. Ayan, dinner na. Oy, daddy, oy. You're not watching anymore? We're going to wash your face. Hi guys! It's now 9:30 ng gabi and guess what? Gising pa rin, oh. Ang wakwak, oh. We'll go to the bathroom. Wash your face.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, brush your teeth.
Teeth right there.
That's right. You want to say hi first?
Face.
Say, hi friends! Hi friends, aba?
No.
Salig ni siya kasi bukas wala siyang childcare. No, careful, mataga ka. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung video natin today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood ng video natin na to. Welcome sa mga bagong nag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'm really hoping na na-enjoy niyo yung mga videos natin. But as usual, we're not going to end the video without the shout-out. So, we will shout out first Rosalinda Cumba from San Juan City, Metro Manila. Mary Grace Vida, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Arlene Ondag Leonor, Gladys Mandanuyan from North Cotabato, Daya Magallanes, Rosana Mansueto, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan from Alcala, Pangasinan, Amethyst Drake, Nenita Espirito from Malolos, Bulacan. Shout out to Richel Mandao from Pasay City, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Anita Valdez, and also shout out daw sa apo niya na si Francesca Maya of Olongapo City, Zambales. Shout out to Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Elsie Maglangit, Mary Ann Esin, Rose in Philippines. Shout out to Evert Suta, and also shout out daw sa anak niya na si Maria Micaela Sueta. Birthday daw niya noong August 7. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Shout out to Lisan Bansil from Pampanga, Erica Peralta, Luz Nicor, Lohan Pasadas, Princess Silanga, Rosemary La Rosa, Rose Lumeran. Shout out to Mary Jane Encina, Renar May Rica Huerta, Rowena Gomera, Bernie Manzanas, Elisa Semeliano, Mary Ann Zamora, Rosalinda Cumba, Nini Jean, Myrna Corpus, I Hang Out With My Girls, Juliet Francisco, Christine Sajos Vlog, Sky Alice, Kusha Basha, Aster De La Torre, Marin Gubaro, Maria Sheila Rubia, Bea Gregorio, Vida Feliz. Shout out to Tess Arellano, Faith Bartels, Flor C, Archie Asis, Medin Maraon, KDJEX16, Ofelia Soriaga Castro, and Isabella de los Reyes. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!